Hey guys, so today I'm doing a slime video. I saw this thing on YouTube where you take Play-Doh and then you put lotion on it and it's supposed to turn into slime, and I did it and it was just really soft. So I guess they count that as slime. So yeah. And my sister's in there making a YouTube video. She's working on her slime. I'm letting mine sit in the window so it can be all bubbly because it's like clear slime. You can't really see the bottom because it's neon, but yeah. I'm going to show you my slime recipes. Okay, number one, I have laundry detergent, shampoo, and salt. Now, the argan oil shampoo works the best. Let's dust that, okay. Then for number two, there's shampoo and salt. Make sure you mix it really well. You want to put it in the freezer because or else it won't turn. And then shampoo, you want to put it in the fridge and then the freezer for 5 minutes, and then it should come out fine. And then the same thing with the laundry detergent, glue and contact solution. If you don't have contact solution, then use baking soda. But if you don't have that, then I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, you could use flour, but it might not work as well. Okay, number 6, dish soap, laundry detergent, and salt. Now you want to mix that together really well. It's going to be a jiggly slime. All of these are going to be a jiggly slime, except for the number 7. Okay, and the number 9 and 10. Okay, so dish soap, laundry detergent, and salt. It's going to be jiggly slime. Like I said, all of them are except for 7, 9, and 10. I made like 11 of these, I think. Yeah, 11. Okay, so why is this open? Okay, so put that off to the side. So you want to mix that together super well until it's like the perfect consistency you want. Okay, I'm only going to do 7 because my time limit's almost out. But here's my mom's that I gave to her. It's the blue one. We put glitter in it, and it's like super satisfying. It breaks easily, but it's like really satisfying to squish, and I love it. Okay. Okay, hold on. Crap, my time's almost up. Put that away quickly. I got the spray bottle in case anything dries out. My green one. This one's a little tougher. I made it into a snowman yesterday, and I have this one, and this one. Okay, that's all for today. Bye!